Hi guys, thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd show you the Hallmark card area over here. Let's see what they have, guys. So here they have the note cards, and so they have them in this style here, and I see this style. That's pretty neat. They have them the one with the flag on it, and this one says wow. So they have these. This one has a typewriter on it, and these have donuts, guys. They have the little dog. Look how cute. So these are nice. So they do carry the Heartline Hallmark 2 for $1. I think that's a great buy. So here you have the funny birthday cards. I'm just going to scan through them so that you can see. And they have them down here too. I think this is a great place to buy cards. One, because it is Hallmark brand. They have some nice ones here. Look at that beautiful thing. What does that say? It's not, they're Hallmark, so they're, you know, we know the name, and so Father's Day stuff is already out, guys. And here's the birthday. Like I said, they're 2 for $1, so it's 50 cents. You can't go wrong. Okay, so here they go. And they're stocked in all of them. So here you have some invitations. So they have this kind. They have please join us at this party. So they have these have cupcakes on them, and this has drinks. These are sports. This is princess. So they have them for kids and for adults. Here they have some. This was the Mother's Day cards. I'm not sure what they do with those. And this whole area here was dedicated to mom's birthday cards. Then over here they do have some more. These are thank you cards. These are nice. So they have invitations, they have note cards, and they have thank you cards. And here they have, this is the rest of the Mother's Day cards, and then these are the birthday cards. No, actually these are the occasion cards. Sympathy, get well, praying for you, cope, encouragement. Isn't that nice? Happy anniversary. That's really nice, guys. It's a girl, you know, for different celebrations. So they have it all. So here's the more thank you cards here, and these are the different kinds that they have. They even have them in Spanish. Like, isn't that great or what? Yeah, muchas gracias, and this one, muchas gracias. Very nice. And on the end cap here, they also have some more. These are the funny ones. The belated birthdays. So guys, I thought I'd show you their card area. I don't think I've done that before, but it is, like I said, Hallmark Company, Heartline, and it's 2 for $1. So you really can't beat that, okay? Then opposite that, of course, we have all their ribbons and wrapping paper and all of that. Thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree just to see what they have in the cards over here. And I will see you guys in another video.